Right, so what we have here is at least a small part of the range of the fibre cement blades that we do in our Freud range. This one here is a 12 inch, so we're going to pop this on our 12-inch miter saw in a minute. We're going to take a look at how this cuts through fibre cement board, the batching material that it's designed for. This blade, as well as the rest of the blade range from Freud, features perma-shield coating. Now, when you're using this on wooden materials or composite materials, it prevents the resin sticking to the blade. Also seals the blade from corrosion as well, so blades will last longer even if you're storing them overnight in a van. Regarding this particular blade here and a range of fibre cement blades, this has a PCD technology, which is polycrystalline diamond when it comes to the teeth. These are incredibly sharp and maintain a cutting edge for a long time in the abrasive materials that you'll find in fibre cement board. So let's pop this onto the miter saw that I have behind me, and we'll cut a bit of cement board.